Now we are going to put more codes into server date application. Let's retrieve the current date from date generator. So this is date generator class. We are going to call this method. Okay, outside here, we create a new object, date generator, same name, new date generator. Okay, and then we put a code to retrieve current date. We put it inside the while loop. Get current date. So date generator, click get current date and assign it to a string. Okay, so up until now we are good. So the next step is we need to send the current date to the client. Now we have the current date. Next is we need to send the current date to the client. So we need to retrieve an output stream from the socket that represents the client who made the request. First, we retrieve the output stream from the client socket. Notice that this method is returning an output stream. So we change it to data output stream. Equal to data output stream, and then we have it here. This is become new. Okay, so what we do here is we create stream to write data on the network. Okay. And we import this. After we have created the stream, then we send the data on the network. Send current date back to the client. So output stream, we call write, and current date. Okay, this one we use write bytes and current date. Okay, we are writing bytes into the network. After that, we close the connection. Okay, close the socket connection. Close. And we save it. What we have done here is we process the request made by the client, okay, which is in this particular line, get the current date, okay, and then send the current date back to the client here, and we close the connection. So we have provided complete to the application server.